This is an ideal logic with a hairline crack in the sump, so the sump needs to be replaced. Ideal, say we should remove the primary heat exchanger to get that out, but there is a quicker way. Let me show you how we're going to do it. So, sump cover off, fluid adapter out. Here's the part we're going to change. There we have it. Looks like the right piece. So, condensate trap out. Right, this is where it gets brutal. Take a flat bladed screwdriver and we're going to break off those connections. Just prise it. There it comes. We might have to take the gas valve out. We're going to take the gas valve out. Gas off, obviously. Where did you go? Break off those lugs. Now, there's two more lugs at the back. This is where you have to use a bit of brute force, because they will snap off. You have to get your screwdriver in there and just prise it out. I think I've made it difficult for myself now by snapping that in half. I think I have. Literally broken in two pieces. It's not the usual method. Normally comes out in one piece. There it is. Just make sure those lugs are removed. So here's the new sump, which we have to treat with a little bit more care. There's nothing still there. The only issue is there's a little bracket behind there that might prove tricky. Let's see how that's going to go. I may have to loosen these two screws so that the heat exchanger comes forward slightly. I think we're on. Feels home. Yeah. That's tight front and back. Wow. New fibre washer for the gas valve. Make sure it's the right way around. now the top one. Get rid of all the crud that's fallen out the old sump. Right, let's turn the gas on. See if we've got a leak. Just do a sniff and then we'll do a tightness test. She seems happy. Thingamy what's it back in. Fit the new whatchamacallit. Hose back on. Can confirm our tightness test passed. So, boiler back on, let's see what happens. Now to prove that that seal is not leaking so that we've fitted the sump properly, I'm going to do another sniff test around that, the bottom of the heat exchanger, where the sump meets the bottom of the heat exchanger, just to make sure that there's no products of combustion blowing out where that seal is. So when we've got ignition, we'll test it. Burner's lit. Let's give it a good sniff under there. Just going to use the analyzer as well, just to make sure we're getting no readings around the sump. Zero. Let's test combustion. Boiler seems happy. We're going to do a combustion reading with the case on as well, just to make sure that the flue integrity is good. But I would say that is a fix.